YouTube. You already know what time it is, man. The Dan back in the lab, you know. And you see what I do with today? We're there with the world boss himself, man. You don't know the teacher, Vybz Kartel, Heart and Soul. As I say, I'm here like you have a project, an album coming called Heart and Soul as well. Not sure about that one. We gotta stay tuned for that though, you know. Say we're gonna stay tuned for that and bring you more updates on that, is me. But yeah, man, tell you back to Vybz Kartel, Heart and Soul. That's where dog I deal with nothing. I will up with vibes much longer. Let's get it, teacher. Want you?
Pretty good face and your shape so nice. Got you anywhere but your dogs and that quiet.
Pretty cute face and your shape so nice. That's facts, girl. If I know you, I owe. You know, I owe. Talk to me.
Pretty good face and your shape so nice. Got you anywhere but your dogs and that quiet. Love how you roll so we fuck couple time and we all a good vibes. Hey girl, you know I'm feeling you. You girly and you keep it cute.
Yeah.
Well, if I my prayer say we will lose.
Yeah.
But me I go break the dust receive this joke. What you like?
Girl, I'm gonna love the one. Yeah, I'm all over. This is a vibe. That's crazy. This is bad tune. I'm to your mama. Pretty cute face and your shit. What you?
Face and your shape so nice. Got you anywhere but your dogs and that quiet. Love how you roll so we fuck couple time and we all a good vibes. Hey girl, you know I'm feeling you. You girly and you keep it cute.
Yes.
Well, if I my prayer say we will lose.
Girl, you know I'm feeling you. You girly and you keep it cute, mama. You see me and say pretty face and your shape so nice, mama. Oh, go on to you, man. You see me can't go in there, you got your tugs and that quiet thing, you know, if you chill on those ball and those really and hold on your G. You see me and say, mama.
Feeling you girly and you keep it cute. Well, if I my prayer say we will lose. But me I go break the dust receive this juice. Want you like me daddy, watch you evening news.
Yes, mama, I put one in that blood clean really. Receive this.
My prayer say we will lose. But me I go break the dust receive this juice. Want you like me daddy, watch you evening news. The amount of thing with me and she been through. Me not have to worry about it, she'll be true. No girl can't walk in your cheapest shoes now.
Me watch you like me daddy, watch you evening news. Nah, for worry about she'll be true.
Want you like me daddy, watch you evening news. The amount of thing with me and she been through. Me not have to worry about it, she'll be true. No girl can't walk in your cheapest shoes now. And every time I me giggle like a child when me see say you a call me. I know those you punani, baby be all in. Oh me feel no love you, you're my wifey, I'm me charging. You give me your mind and your heart and your soul. And me give you the time and your life and your goal. No
but hey, go on.
Child when me see say you a call me. I know those you punani, baby be all in. Oh me feel no love you, you're my wifey, I'm me charging. You give me your mind and your heart and your soul. And me give you the time and your life and your goal. Me know you a hold back, no do it no more. From your believer, you know say you're sure. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let
This bad. Tune.
it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Flow that. Make me hold that. Cock up for the whole cock. Pose for the Kodak. Pussy so shine like no ear now go grow back. Set you on your belly and slam you like the door lock. You have the Benz boom boom while some gal that dance. Some of them a pro back. Anyway me travel on the plane you have to board that. You call me reach you quicker than DoorDash.
Man say call me check that.
Anyway me travel on the plane you have to board that. You call me reach you quicker than DoorDash. And every time I me giggle like a child when me see say you a call me. I know those you punani, baby be all in. Oh me feel no love you, you're my wifey, I'm the charging. You give me your mind and your heart and your soul. And me give you the time and your life and your goal. Me know you a
teacher with another banger bomba.
You a call me. I know those you punani, baby be all in. Oh me feel no love you, you're my wifey, I'm the charging. You give me your mind and your heart and your soul. And me give you the time and your life and your goal. Me know you a hold back, no do it no more. From your believer, you know say you're sure. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Hey girl, you know I'm feeling you. You girly and you keep it cute. Well, if I my prayer say we will lose. But me I go break the dust receive this juice. Want you like
hey, got in the easy, you know. You gotta give a little bit of anecdote or some wild stuff, some crazy stuff. Yeah, you know, hey, Carter still got him punchline, man.
Feeling you girly, and you keep it cute. Well, if I'm a prayer, say we will lose. But me, I go break the dust, receive this juice. Want you like my daddy, watch your evening news. The amount of thing with me and she been through. Me not have to worry about if she'll be true. No girl can't walk in your cheapest shoes now. And every time I me giggle like a child when me see say you a call me. I know those you punani, be a baby Ali. Oh, me feel no love you, you're my wifey, I'm the charging. You give me your mind and your heart and your soul.
Me give you the time,
Let me give you the time of your life and your goal. Me know you a hold back, no do it no more. From you believe and you know say you're sure. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow.
No, found no that talk, you know. He want to say, yo, you give me your mind and your heart and your soul. Me give you the time of your life and your goal. You see me, I say, man, so me know you a hold back. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it, you know what I talk about? Let it flow, mama, let it blood clean flow. Why'd you
flow? Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You give me your mind and your heart and your soul. Let me give you the time of your life and your goal. Me know you won't hold back, no do it no more. From you believe.
I know you hold back, no do it no more. From you believe, just let it, hey!
You know say you're sure. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow,
let it flow, man. You hold back for man. Let's release, man.
Flow, let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Girl, if
I know you.
Do not.
Yeah, man. Shout out to I was just thinking about the song a while ago. The song just went. Shout out to the world boss for that, man. Banger song, banger tune, man. I don't know what time it is. Cartel, nah, it's song that can play upon the radio. And you know what I talk about let it flow. Yeah, man, we make it flow, man. We don't hold back, man. Release that. We have talk on the site. Another artist can't do that. Talk on the site sign codes no more. Everything have to just brawling out. Cartel can't go brawling. I can't just, you see me? Yeah, but yeah, man, gang. Yeah, man. Shout out to the teacher, shout out to her boss for that, the one and the bang. No say ladies, I love the one there. You see me what I'm saying? And the girl is with no tune, I'm gonna like the one there. You see me? I can go up on the playlist. You see me what I'm saying? No joke, man. So, but let me know what your thoughts is in the comment section. You see me what I'm saying? If you like it, show the artist some love and support. Make you know, so Jambisco dance on you. Drop your favorite parts in the comment section. You see me? The video, the beat, the rhythm, the artist, the girl, the peak girls in the video. You see me? Whatever your favorite part, let me know in the comment section. And drop your request so you can get your shout out. Let me know what you want me to react to next. What's wrong with me? I need to slow down and chill out. But yeah, teacher did a great job, man. I really enjoyed that track. It's the melody, beat, everything is great. I ain't gonna lie to you. Really catchy. Lyrics is there. You see me? I say, yeah, pretty face and your body's on shape so nice. And say, yo, wow. I mean, if you work at your talks and the quiet, you know what I'm saying? Say, I like things that girl like here. Girl like, you know, say, you girly, wait, I like the talks and I don't like to hear anything. Can't roll with the party, that type of stuff. But the lyrics is definitely there. The vibe is there. I know the lyrics don't like the cohesiveness, it sounds good. It sounds good. It's a good song, great song, catchy song. Everything just sound on point. I ain't gonna cap to you. It's a good song. You know what I'm saying? I think it's been. And his singing got better. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But I think it's been a while since we have a song like this in the genre. So yeah. Shout out to the teacher. You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.